Each year, about 325 million laying hens hustle across America. They churn out an incredible 96.9 billion eggs. Yes, billions. Feeling lazy? Think of these hens grinding nonstop. Each lays around 296 eggs yearly. That's enough for countless omelets. But it wasn't always like this. In 2000, the average hen managed only 264 eggs per year. So what shifted? It's all genetics wizardry. Breeders smartly refined hens through selective breeding. Now they're egg-producing powerhouses. No more slacking chickens. These ladies are all business, hatching hey everyone. Today, we're diving into how modern U.S. farms raise and gather eggs. It kicks off with eggs shipped from breeding sites to the incubator. There, they're sanitized using natural vapor, no formaldehyde, to cut bacteria risks. This shows their biosecurity dedication. Eggs move automatically from farm carts to incubator carts. Then they're loaded into units for 18 days of controlled development. There are 36 incubators, holding up to 6 million eggs. These pods rotate eggs to keep temperature, moisture, and CO2 perfectly balanced. After 18 days, embryos get scanned. A device detects heartbeats to spot live versus dead eggs. Bad ones are tossed to prevent germ spread. Live eggs get organic vaccines against typical bird illnesses. They strictly avoid antibiotics entirely. Unlike many competitors, the setup has 2 levels. When chicks emerge, they drop to the bottom tray. There, they get balanced organic feed and fresh water. Unlike old-school hatcheries that delay feeding till farm arrival, chicks start hatching just 24 hours after reaching here. Hatching lasts about 2 full days. The process is tightly managed with temp, humidity, CO2, and cutting-edge HVAC for ideal airflow. As chicks break free, they head to vents and tumble into the lower tray. No need for old mechanical dividers. Clean water flows via side channels. LED lights draw chicks for their first sip. After drinking, they spot the feed themselves. Once all are out, people visually check them. Non-survivors get a mild CO2 sedative. Healthy chicks receive vaccines for common poultry ailments. Then they're trucked to farms in climate-controlled vehicles with exact temp, lights, feed, and water. This guarantees top conditions en route. The egg-laying process starts when young hens, pullets, are reared in breeding areas until 18 weeks old. Then they shift to laying barns and begin producing. Barns are spotless and fully equipped to let hens do their job. Indoor-outdoor spaces are securely fenced against predators. Hens get automated meals of corn, soybeans, and blended feed. Extended daylight or artificial lights trigger more egg production. Hens don't hit commercial laying till 21 weeks. Peak output runs from 25 to 39 weeks. Production slowly drops off until the cycle ends around 72 weeks. Then hens exit the system. Collecting eggs. Millions of eggs are gathered weekly, manure-free, via smart automated belts. Studies show free-range hens lay 10% more than caged ones. Organic eggs taste better and fetch premium prices. Eggs head to packing facilities. There, shells, yolks, and whites are washed and checked to remove duds. Next, machines sort them by size. They're gently packed into cardboard or plastic cartons. The role of eggs in the U.S. economy. The U.S. egg sector pumps out over 100 billion eggs annually. Over half goes straight to stores. The rest get processed for restaurants. Eggs drive major economic impact. They create jobs, wages, and profits for farmers, packers, shippers, and sellers. Just in America, it adds billions to GDP yearly. Latest stats: over 880,000 folks work in eggs, from fields to factories and transport. Family-run egg farms bolster rural areas. They offer reliable jobs and pump money locally by buying feed, gear, and supplies. Plus, egg profits fund community services and roads. Stores and supermarkets thrive on egg sales. Eggs are top grocery buys, drawing shoppers who grab more items, supercharging sales. Eggs star in countless foods like cakes, noodles, mayo, and dressings. Processed eggs matter too. Liquid, powdered, or frozen forms feed restaurants, eateries, and factories. Every sector relies on eggs, weaving them into the full food web. So eggs prop up tons of other businesses. The role of eggs in cuisine and nutrition for millennia. eggs have been diet staples. They're loved for flexibility, nutrient density, and fitting endless dishes. From morning meals to desserts, eggs shine in global cooking. Eggs pack a nutritional punch in few calories. They deliver top-tier protein, good fats, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and special stuff like choline. Perfect for any eating plan, building muscle, aiding eyes/brain, or savoring wholesome eats. Eggs rank among the smartest, most adaptable foods for daily menus. Their journey from farm to plate is an intricate process that involves careful breeding, management, and handling. This ensures we receive a high-quality product. It's no surprise that they have become a part of meals all around the world. In fact, many countries have their own special egg dishes. For example, in Mexico, there's huevos rancheros, which features fried eggs with salsa on tortillas. In Japan, there's a sweet omelette called tamagoyaki, often enjoyed with sushi. And in Spain, tortilla española, a potato and egg omelette, is a popular dish. These examples show just how much eggs are loved and used in different cultures. The role of eggs in popular culture. Every year, on the second Friday of October, World Egg Day is celebrated around the globe. The day was established by the International Egg Commission in 1996. It raises awareness about the nutritional benefits of eggs and their importance as a food source. On World Egg Day, countries celebrate in various ways, such as hosting cooking competitions, organizing educational campaigns about egg farming, and offering free eggs to communities. It highlights how a humble food like the egg can have a worldwide impact on nutrition and cuisine. Eggs have also found their way into popular culture, symbolizing life, rebirth, and even mystery. One of the most famous representations of eggs in history is the series of Fabergé eggs. These luxurious, jeweled eggs were created for the Russian imperial family in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. These eggs became symbols of wealth, craftsmanship, and artistic beauty. They are still admired today as masterpieces. In many cultures, eggs are part of celebrations and traditions. For instance, during Easter, eggs are dyed and decorated as a symbol of new life and resurrection. This practice has been adopted in many countries. It has evolved into fun activities like Easter egg hunts, where children search for hidden eggs, often filled with treats. The future of the egg industry. The future direction of the egg industry lies in embracing innovation. Researchers and companies are exploring alternative egg production methods, such as lab-grown eggs and plant-based egg substitutes. These meet the needs of an evolving market. These alternatives cater to consumers seeking sustainable, cruelty-free, and allergy-friendly options. This indicates that the industry may diversify beyond traditional egg farming. These days, egg farmers feel a responsibility to provide the best possible care to hens and produce safe, wholesome, and affordable eggs. Over time, farms have modified how they house and care for hens and produce eggs. They adopt science-based practices as new information and research becomes available. With this spirit of continuous improvement, egg farms have improved the health and productivity of hens, enhanced food safety, and lessened impacts on the environment, while providing a high-quality, affordable egg supply. And that's the exciting journey of eggs and hens. Do you like eggs? Leave your favorite egg dish in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when our exciting videos go live. Goodbye.